Hey, welcome back. In today's fast paced world, one of the most important keys to career success is being a lifelong learner. No matter where you are in your career, there is always more to learn, whether it is a technical skill, a soft skill like leadership or communication, or even learning more about your industry. Continual growth is essential to stay relevant and competitive. Let's talk about why this is so important. The skills you have today might not be enough for tomorrow. Industries are evolving, new technologies are emerging, and expectations are changing. The more you invest in learning, the better equipped you will be to handle the changes and even lead them. So, how do you start? You don't need to go back to school to be lifelong learner. There are so many resources available, like online courses, workshops, books, podcasts, or even learning from mentors and peers. It is about consistently improving yourself bit by bit. So, today's action step, identify one new skill that would benefit your career and commit to learning it over next few months, whether it is through a course, a book, or hands on practice. Make a plan to incorporate it into your schedule. Now, let us recap. Lifelong learning isn't just about keeping up, it is about staying ahead. The more you invest in yourself, the more opportunities you will open up in your career. And please don't forget to subscribe for more insights on how to elevate your career. See you in next video. Happy learning and bye for now.